Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view error logs in Project Zomboid. First, know that when the game encounters errors, like crashes, Lua issues, or mod conflicts, it records them to log files in your computer, not always in an in-game pop-up. These logs are your best way to diagnose what's going wrong. To find these files on Windows, open File Explorer and go to your Drive C, Users, your PC username, and the Zomboid directory. Inside that folder you'll find console.txt, and possibly co-op console.txt if you play multiplayer. These are plain text log files the game writes every time it runs. If the game crashed and created a logs.zip, look for that file in the same Zomboid user folder. Extract it to view the detailed logs for that session. These usually contain the full error entries including error tags and stack traces you can read with Notepad or Notepad++. Once you open console.txt or the extracted log files, scroll to the bottom since the most recent run's output is there. Search with Ctrl+F for keywords like error, exception, or mod names to find what's caused problems. Many players find that each error lists the file or mod involved near the bottom of these logs. On Mac or Linux, you'll usually find the Zomboid folder in your home directory, and that's where the log files are. And that's how you view error logs in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.